Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the scroll down zoom issue in Chrome. If Chrome zooms in or out when you scroll instead of scrolling the page, one common reason is that the Control key may be stuck or being detected as pressed. Chrome uses Ctrl plus the mouse wheel as a zoom shortcut, so if Ctrl is active, scrolling will change the zoom level. Start by pressing and releasing the Control key a few times to make sure it is not physically stuck. You can also check by typing in another application to see if Control shortcuts trigger unexpectedly. Disconnecting and reconnecting your keyboard or restarting your system can also reset this behavior. Another thing to check is Chrome's zoom level and gesture settings, making sure the zoom is set to 100. To check if Chrome is set to 100, press Ctrl on your keyboard and scroll the mouse wheel until you find the sweet spot. As you can see, it is successfully set to 100, and another thing that might be causing this issue is outdated drivers. Just go to your search bar and type Device Manager. Open it, go to Mouse and Other Pointing Devices, and click it. Right-click on your mouse and select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers, and as you can see, my drivers are already up to date. Sometimes even browser extensions can modify scrolling or zoom behavior, which can also cause this issue. Temporarily disabling extensions may also help. We learned that Chrome zooming while scrolling can be caused by a stuck Control key, zoom shortcuts, input issues, or browser settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.